Hi, this is Heather Bayer, and I want to welcome you to our ultimate guide to launching and growing your successful short-term rental business. I've been in this business for nearly 25 years, long before VRBO or Verbo as it is today, before TripAdvisor, and way before Airbnb became a verb. There's a lot of experience packed into a quarter of a century, and along with that, I've kept up to date with technology, the changing nature of guest expectations, the operational side of the business, and I've watched as this amazing business has flourished through wave after wave of disruption and change. In this guide, I'm going to be taking you on a journey through each of the steps you'll need to master if you're really committed to building a successful business in the short-term rental industry. In this first part about researching and understanding the short-term rental market, we look at the history of what used to be termed vacation rentals, but is now better known as STR, or short-term rentals. I talk about all the things you have to know and be aware of before you embark on this journey, such as the research process, competitor analysis, the nature of your inbound traveller, location factors, and of course legislation, a major part of what we're going through at the moment. Like any new venture, there's a lot of learning to be done, and having the foundation in place that gives an understanding of the why, the what, and the how will be invaluable as you grow and develop your business. And even if you've been in the short-term rental space for a few years already and you feel you have a good grasp of it, it's still worthwhile to refresh and recalibrate. Enjoy.